Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by TaxBuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India, which is a cheaper alternative for rather than going to directly to a chartered accountant. So there is some special discount. You can check the description for the special discount for my followers. US markets. The dream run continues for both Indian markets and US markets. In US markets, particularly Nasdaq is just moving higher and higher and higher. And last September, Nasdaq 100 was trading around 10,500. Now it's very close to 16,000 and all-time high is about 16,500 or 16,600. So just matter of another a few percentage point. So the dream run continues in both the markets while most other markets are struggling. Though US markets were higher yesterday, now look at the Asian markets. As usual, some are up, some are down, so they are mixed. So India particularly is hugely outperforming the global markets. GIFT Nifty even today indicating about 40-point gap up, and we run up already so much, but then on top of it another 30-40-point gap up. The people who have sold call options or people who have done non-directional strategy, they are just struggling like anything. And normally people sell both call and put. If the markets move higher, call premiums shoot up, but put premium never come down because the VIX goes higher. That's what yesterday I told you. Even the 19,000 and below, all the puts, the premium did not come down. So first, IT stocks rallied on back of good results from TCS. Yesterday, the banks rallied on back of HDFC Bank results. So what next? Okay, before talking about what next, okay, we'll see yesterday again Mindtree results came and the results seems to be really very good. I think mid-cap ITs are doing better than the large-cap ITs. Even in the large-cap also, the Tech Mahindra outperformed Infosys and TCS because, Tech Mahindra is a smaller company compared to TCS and Infosys. So the momentum still can be there in IT stocks because, they are huge underperformer for a long time. And then today, IndusInd Bank results. So yesterday HDFC Bank and today IndusInd Bank. So if IndusInd Bank results is also good, then people will definitely assume that ICICI Bank and Axis Bank results will also be good, and then the momentum can continue in Bank Nifty also. And then the next big one is the Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries is coming out with results on Friday, but they come out with results on Friday evening. So the real impact will be seen only on next week. But the results may not be a big thing, but the demerger of Jio Financial Services, so maybe a big game changer. In fact, I thought Reliance Industries, if you are holding one share of Reliance Industries, they are going to give one share of Reliance Jio Financial Services. So therefore, automatically the price of Reliance will come down. To the extent the price of Reliance Jio Financial Services. Of course, what will be the price? Nobody knows. The price discovery will happen later. But I thought because Reliance Industries price will come down, the weightage in the Nifty for Reliance will come down. But now, yesterday NSE announced even the Reliance Jio Financial Services will also be included in Nifty 50. And that is really very, very surprising, right? Like look at the DMart, Avenue Supermart, market cap so big. It has all the eligibility to come into Nifty 50 or all the eligibility come into F&O, but still it has not been included even in F&O, right? But Nobody knows what is going to be the market cap of Reliance Jio Financial Services, and that share does not exist. It's going to exist later. It's not even listed, but even without listing, even without knowing what is going to be the listing price, so NSE announces that it will be coming under Nifty 15. So that is the power of Mukesh Ambani. So, so this demerger can add value. So that's why yesterday, I think probably yesterday, some people knew this news. This news came only after the market hours, but probably some people knew. So that's why the price went up by 90 rupees in intraday yesterday itself. So we need to see the impact of this demerger. Okay. And for your information, on 20th of this month, Reliance Industries from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. it will be a pre-market. So which means that 9:15 normal market will open for other shares, not for Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries will trade in pre-market between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. for the price discovery. So definitely the price will go down. Don't get panic. How much price goes down? Okay, and that may be the price at which Reliance Jio Financial Services is likely to be listed, and because that share is given at free of cost to you. So therefore, and on 20th, so it's going to be more interesting, and accordingly, index may swing slightly, because on that particular day, Reliance will fall and the weightage will go down in Nifty, but only after Reliance Jio Financial Services listed, then only that market cap will be added in Nifty. And again, I do not know how they are going to add Jio Financial Services, because Nifty 50 has already 50 shares. HDFC merged, then Mindtree came in. So I don't know now they are going to keep 51 shares or they are going to remove one of the shares. So that one we'll see. But right now the markets are bullish. As I always say, trend is front and until it's bent. Also I told you bull market should not last more than 10 to 12 weeks. In case if it crosses 12 weeks, then the next few weeks the rally will be even more powerful, and that is what you have seen. You have seen in the month of April, Nifty was 800 point. And then the next 2 months, May and June, Nifty has seen only about 500 point. But in July, we are still only 2 weeks are over. The third week is running, and you can see Nifty has already shot up about 750 to 800 point. So the fourth month rally usually will be very, very powerful, and that is what is unfolding now. So, so one has to be careful on the call side, higher side. So looking at the open interest, 19,600 put option added huge open interest, both weekly and monthly, and as well as even the next month options, August series. So 19.5 PE is being added in huge quantities. But of course, market has already run up nearly 3,000 point. So anytime, a 500, 600 point correction can come. So it's not a good idea to venture into the next month without hedge. Of course, if you are doing with hedge, you know what is the risk. So crude prices are higher yesterday, and I think that is maybe one of the reasons why auto sector underperformed yesterday. Yesterday, though broader markets were good, but auto index was down slightly. So today overall market will be focusing once again on IT, banks and Reliance. Right? The support is definitely 19,500. As I told you, the last time resistance now becomes support. That is a 19,500 is a support. The resistance, we are in uncharted territory. So all we can say, Nifty is likely to trade between 19,500 and 20,000. and markets are extremely bullish. So let us see what is going to happen today. US futures are slightly lower, and then yesterday FIIs bought for less than 100 crore. So these two things, may lead to some kind of a profit booking, at least intraday. And also I always say never chase the market. If there is any 80 to 100 point dip intraday, that dip comes almost on a day-to-day basis. So that is the time to take a long position if you want. Otherwise, don't chase the market. So stock market, has a lot of famous saying. Consensus is dangerous. Don't short the dull market. Don't chase the market and all those kind of things. So you have to follow them diligently. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.